Hello guys, my name is Rasim from Zero to Hero. Today we will talk about the Truffle Dashboard, which is a new feature. And with this feature, we will stop copy and pasting our private keys into the Truffle project or Hardhead project. As you know, to deploy our smart contracts in our configuration file, we put our private keys or mnemonic to our configuration files. Yeah, even though we are using AWS secrets or vault, which is still we have to copy our private key to somewhere, and from somewhere we need to inject to our project, and during the execution it will use. But instead of it, Truffle developed a dashboard which is integrated with the MetaMask. During the deployment, Truffle connects to MetaMask, and on the MetaMask you are entering your password, and then you are giving a permission to your Truffle project, for which networks, from which address you will deploy. You are choosing. How we are doing, manually, on the MetaMask, you are doing same thing, which is really secure and cool things. That's why they are, telling, about the Truffle dashboard. Stop copy and pasting your private keys. So in general, how it works, it is, pretty simple, and actually you don't need to, put so many things to Truffle config file. Instead of it, just install the latest Truffle version to your computer, and then run your dashboard, and then and we will run classical Truffle migration command set. So I prepared one smart contract, and we will do it together, and then you will see how it is simple. And also, for the details, you can come to that, documentation, which is really cool and simplify our works. Quite good explanation with the screenshot. Okay, so let's try. Yeah, this is my. I prepared one smart contracts. You can see the details of my previous video, and you can run it, and we can test it like me. But in here, we will try to deploy this ready-to-use smart contracts with the Truffle dashboard. So in the first place, what we are doing, in the first place, we are opening brand new console. For example, in here, in the first place, we are installing the Truffle. We are installing latest version of the Truffle with this command. I already installed. And what we are doing, we are uninstalling and then installing. And the deployment completed. We are running our Truffle dashboards like that. Let me run again. Clear. Better to open, brand new terminal. Sometimes, it is not reflected to other on the same terminal. And then in here, we are running Truffle Dashboard with this command. Oh, as you see, it directly opens, one web page, a local web page. And from here, like any other Web3 project, we are connecting to MetaMask. So in here, I am saying in the first place, let me enter my passwords, unlock. So I will use this wallet. Yeah, I gave a permission to this wallet address, and then I am confirming. Okay, so now, as you see, my local host, my project is running. Truffle Dashboard is up and running, and then on the other tab, I can run my Truffle commands. So, in the first place, let me compile in the first place my smart contracts. Maybe I can delete completely this one. Okay. I am compiling my Truffle smart contracts. Okay, done. Successfully compiled. My lesson ABA and everything looks fine under this JSON file. Okay, cool. So, secondly, let's say I want to deploy these smart contracts to Rinkibai. So what I am doing, simply, first of all, this is classical Truffle config file. I will clean this file because we don't need anymore. As you see, we don't need anything from here, because instead of this configuration, we will do everything through the MetaMask. Okay, cool. You see, Truffle configs now looks pretty simple and short and clean. So, as you see, I haven't done anything. I just put, later on, after deployment, I will verify my Truffle, my smart contracts. That's why I put this plugin. And for the verification, it needs, as you know, Etherscan API key. Only those things I put. Rest of them, default configurations. So, if I want to deploy my smart contracts to Rinkibai, as you see, I am running my Truffle migration over dashboards. Okay, so let's click. Compiling your smart contracts dashboard. You see, waiting for the transaction signature. Please check your wallet for a transaction approval message. So let's go to, you see, on the Truffle dashboard, approval process appeared, and then every step will be approved by me. And let's go back here. Okay, migration script deployed. And then again, for the second step, waiting for transaction signature, please check your wallet for a transaction approval message. Okay, as you see, you can have a look at the details. Okay, processing. You can approve or reject, confirm. As you see, we are doing everything on Rinkiby, and I haven't entered any private key or mnemonic. I don't know how to translate it. And then again, I am approving. So, okay, it is deploying my smart contract. Okay, waiting for transaction signature and again approval. Confirm. So let's see. You see, done. Okay, let's have a look. Our smart contract. Rinkiby, Ether scan. In the first place, let me have a look what happened. Yeah, as you see, it's the contract creation, contract, write a contract, set this one. Okay, contract creation. Let me have a look at the details. Yeah, I approved my previous smart contract. That's why it appears as a verified contract. But if you want to verify your smart contract over the Truffle, in the first place, we are installing our Truffle plugin verify into dev section here, like that. As you see, I already installed, enter, and it will install. And then you can also make, if there is new version, it will install. Okay, cool. So later on, I can verify my smart contract over the Truffle dashboard as well. How I am doing here with this command. Truffle run verify lesson. As you know, my smart contract name was lesson and network dashboards. Again, I am doing everything with the dashboard. Just keep in your mind to verify your smart contract, you need Etherscan API key and and also this plugin. In the first place, we are installing through the npm. Later on, just we put as a plugin to our Truffle config, and then when you run with your smart contract name, this command, it will verify automatically from the console. Let's test it. So, sorry guys. In the first place, I need to connect to console, Truffle console. Okay, and then const lesson smart contract await lesson deployed. Let's see, is it correct? address. Is it same address with the verified one? Yes, exactly. Let's have a look. This address is correct. Okay, smart contract. This is our smart contract codes. Everything looks fine. Okay, okay, get lesson. If, yeah, I can test it from here. Hello world lesson. Let's have a look. Am I able to get same response from the Truffle console? Lesson, that, get, what was it? Get lesson. Hello world lesson. As you see, guys, we did everything over the Truffle dashboard. We haven't, put to anywhere any environment variable or any secret JSON file to private key or mnemonic, or any other, secret information. That's why, yeah, it is very secure, especially for the production deployment. Those kind of approach is having really vital importance. That's why, better to follow the best practices. I think this is the really cool things of the Truffle, and also Truffle, these features usable for the other, blockchain management tools. You can use Truffle Dashboard for the hard hat as well. Yeah, you can find the definition how you can use in a hard hat. You can see in here. Yeah, that's all, guys, for today. Yeah, the important, as I say again, the important part is, we shouldn't, it is not good practice to put somewhere our private key. As you know, when you change your password, if someone steal your, private key with your old wallet, still they are able to use. That's why, we have to keep it, in a secure place. And we have to follow all of the best practices. I think this, Truffle dashboard is pretty cool for the real life problems. I hope you enjoyed. That's all for today. My name is Rasim. I am blockchain architect and also developer. And we are doing lots of smart contract blockchain training at Zero to Hero. Do not forget to follow us, and please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. And if you have any suggestion about any topic, please let me know and leave it as a comment. Thank you, guys, for your time. I hope you enjoyed. That's all for today. Take care. Bye.